Right, the purpose of the first video is to teach you how to put together a template for working in Google SketchUp on 3D models appropriate for use with Key Stage 3 projects. So it's worth noting at this stage that your screen will look slightly different to this because you're using a PC. This setup is for Macs, but it will translate well. You've just got to listen carefully to the instructions and try your best. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is choose SketchUp, and then this window opens up here and it asks you, SketchUp asks you to choose a template. So what we're going to do to start off is click on choose template, scroll down, find one which says woodwork in millimeters. Remember, we're always going to be using millimeters as our units for measurement in design and technology, so it's worth getting this set up straight away. So click on woodwork in millimeters, start using SketchUp, and then we come to this screen. Okay, so in front of you, you should all have a orthographic drawing. So I'm going to set this screen up so it looks just like your orthographic drawing. So the first thing you need to do is go to camera. So find the camera section, and then there are three options here. So we've got parallel projection, perspective rather, and 2-point perspective. It's currently on perspective drawing. I'd like you to put it onto parallel projection. Okay. Once you've done that, you can see there are a couple of icons here. These are the views. If you've not already got this, we'll set that up in a second. Click on the top view or the plan view and you will get a bird's eye view. Next, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to set up your workspace here. So we need to make sure that we've got all the tools that we require for modeling in 3D in Key Stage 3. So to do this, on a Mac we right click in the window here and it says customize toolbar. If I remember correctly, on the PC when you right click in the top it says things like a large tool set. So you're going to want to select large tool set. To customize toolbar on a Mac, we do this and all our windows come up. So we're looking at the standard views. We need to make sure that we've got these in our bar at the top. Okay. We also need to make sure that we've got all the sketching tools. So you've got the pencil, the arc tool, the rectangle tool, and then 3D modeling tools as well. We need push-pull tool, which is this one here. We need the revolve tool, the offset tool, the rotate tool, and then measuring tools as well. We'll also need the tape measure tool for measuring. This tool here, the A1, is for adding annotation, so we need that too. And we've also got this tool here, which enables us to add dimensions. So you need to make sure that you've got that. So make sure that is up there like that. Okay. Once you've got this layout set up how you'd like it, I'm going to press done. Then we need to change the work area here. We need to make sure that this is suitable. So to do that, we're going to go Window, scroll down to Styles, and then I'd like you to select on Default Styles this default window here with the white background. So select that and click off that. Okay, so that's perfect. That's a template ready for us to do some modelling with. Okay, what I'd like you to do now then is to just hover over each individual tool just to familiarise yourself with what the tools do. So for example, this pink rectangular shaped icon is an eraser. That's for rubbing things out. We've got a pencil, arc, and so on. So just spend a little time scrolling over these icons and make sure you know what they're called and try and figure out what they do. Okay. Once you've done that, we go to File and we're going to go Save as Template. Okay. So now you get an opportunity to call it what you like. I'm going to call this one Mr. Senior's Template. And then we're going to select Set as Default Template and save it. Okay, so it's asking me to overwrite it. That's because I've done this video a couple of times. Press OK. Right, now basically once you've done that, every time you upload, you open up SketchUp, you should be able to open it up in your default style and never have to do that task again. Okay, so hopefully all your computers will be set up the same now. Okay.